4739, your battery is low.
What's up, my dudes? Are you ready for this? I'm fucking nervous. So I made a mount on Tinkercad for the Insta360 so I could carry the lens protectors. Today is a test flight of that camera mount on a Source 1. Let's do this. We're gonna go fly the Insta360. Not even gonna think about it, not even gonna talk about it. Gonna get everything plugged in, and we're just gonna go. It's a good test to see if those work. Hey, all it did was pop out. It didn't break. First test crash. We have a bent prop. Let's get this unplugged here. So, I guess concrete's the best place to test this mount.
Telemetry lost.
As you guys can see here, it popped the lens protector out, but it didn't break anything. Let's see if it'll go right back in. Snap back in. Oh, did it rip it? Oh no, I just need to put some pressure on it. Actually get this thing pressed in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my shirt so I'm not scratching. And there we go. Popped right back into place. What we found out is my camera mount works. Obviously, the screen, the lens protectors do protect it. I am just using Sane Smart TPU. I'm not using any Ninja Tech or anything like that. But so far, so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was actually exhilarating for me to actually get out and go do this and fly it. I didn't want to crash test it to see if it was strong on this flight. But, you know, sometimes shit happens. I forgot that there was a tree right next to this pole. For some reason, I thought it was bushes around it, and that's the pole that's on the other side. Sometimes you just don't know where you fly, even if you fly there every day. Thank you, guys. God bless you. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.